Hi guys, welcome to the short video review about the App Storm Radar. So here we have it, and it's not a total review, it's just about the premium subscription. I've made this. This is, I think, $3.99 per month, pretty expensive. And yeah, you should think that for $3.99 per month, which is about close to $50 per year, you would expect that this is really good and has really powerful new features which are not available in the free version and so on. And yeah, I've tried it since a week or so, and for me the bottom line is actually it's super disappointing. There is not much on top of the free version which we get. Unfortunately, there's not a trial. At least I haven't found a trial, so I just did it, and to see how this works, because the 1 week is already very expensive, or it's even the 1 day, I don't know, but the 1 year was too expensive, so I thought I'll go with the 1 month. So here we are. We get these 3 buttons here, like the lightning detection. As you can see, it's pretty weak. I mean, there was some lightning some time ago. Now it doesn't find anything here in this area. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit too late here. So I'm going a little bit to the east, where we can find some lightning a little bit. But there's not much. I mean, you cannot click on that. You don't get an exact location. I mean, more or less, but it's pretty weak. You have to zoom in a lot to see anything, and the map is really dirt cheap. You don't see a lot. Yeah, I have seen lightning in my region, but you have to really zoom in a lot. Otherwise, when you are too far outside, there's nothing to see. It's pretty bad. I mean, even in my area here, there have been lightning, I'm pretty sure, but we would have to zoom in and find it. I mean, that's as bad as it gets. There are way better apps for lightning, like the WeatherBug or so, where you get it for free. Then we have the storms here, which you can activate. I mean, anyway, the app itself is super slow, especially when you activate some things. Let's go a little bit to the east, so we have a little bit more. Maybe here we have some storms, by the way, of course. I'm a little bit on a bad map without the radar. So I activated the radar now, and actually there are pretty impressive storms a little bit to the east, and here we can see them with the storm prediction. And when we zoom in, it's very slow here, so we get like a triangle and time. So here we have the current center of the storm, and we can even click on that. We get a lot of information, and we have then the time, let's say what happens in 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. I can't read that, it's like turned around, but anyway, you get an idea, somehow a prediction where it will go. And then you have also the full mode, so like full screen mode. So that's about it. There is really not too much here. That's more or less. There is a little bit more, maybe you can find, or I can show you that here. So when we go here in this area down below, we can find all the options which we have from the layers. Like when we see a radar, we click here, and then we go down, and let's see if we find some premium layers. Like here, that's the weather advisory map. So let's say we find something like an alert. Here we have one. That's a weather alert, like a severe thunderstorm warning. Nothing which you won't get for free as well. So nothing special. Let's put this on the to the side. Then we have also the lightning, as we had, is the same thing as here, exactly same thing, and the storm tracks. These are the 2 things which are the same as on the map. Then we have the rain accumulation and so on. These things, as far as I know, are all for free. You see here, there's just the premium layer here. So when we go to the next thing, like the wind, and go down, there is just one premium layer, also the weather advisory map. there's the same thing as before. So let's turn this away. And then we have the temperature. When we go to temperature, we have there's not even one premium layer with the temperature. Then with the winter weather, we have some premium layers. We have the weather advisory map. It's exactly the same again. So we have it same thing in a couple of menus. And then we have one thing, and that's more or less the best thing, which I have found. That's a local storm report. You can see some local storm reports, like here 1 hour ago, and there was something like somebody reported a wind gust of 40 knots, something like that. And I haven't seen that in any other map or app. That's maybe something if you're interested into that, but there is not a lot. There are not a lot of these storm reports, and everything else looks like it's in the free version as well. And then in the tropical storms, we have a couple of premium layers, but it's the same thing, like local storm report, storm tracks, again, weather advisory map, nothing new. So we are pretty much done with the premium things, and you have been able to see it's super disappointing. I mean, there's not much. All the things like the prediction in the map, the animation is exactly the same. I thought, maybe there are more hours or something like that it goes more in the future, or like more detailed, or more to the back, like to the history, to the past, or something like that. But there is absolutely nothing which I have found apart from that, not in any kind of menus here. So absolutely disappointing. As a free app, it's okay. I think maybe the premium also removed the ads, but I haven't found a lot of ads anyway here. Maybe there were a couple of them, can't remember, but as far as I remember, there haven't been a lot. So not a big problem. And I mean, it's not my favorite app anyway. There are better apps regarding short-term predictions anyway, so I don't see the need for this app too much, and definitely no need for the premium subscription. So that's actually it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on the app, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.